Xbox controller not showing up on your Mac? Here's how to connect it wirelessly. First, make sure your controller has batteries inserted. Press the Xbox button to turn it on. The button will start flashing. Now, press and hold the small pairing button on top of the controller until the Xbox button flashes faster. This means it's in pairing mode. On your Mac, click the Apple logo. Open System Settings. Go to Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is off, turn it on. Then toggle it off and back on to refresh the device list. Your Xbox controller will appear in the list. Click Connect. The Xbox button stops flashing and stays on. Your controller is now connected to your Mac. Subscribe for more quick fixes.